Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka Kitchen. Today's video is all about popular snacks in Nigeria known as Nigerian Egg Roll. You can either fry it with your frying pan or a deep pot. These are the ingredients I used. We're going to start by sieving the flour. Then I'm going to sieve in sugar. I'm making use of 3 tablespoons of sugar. At the same time, I'm going to be sieving in nutmeg and salt, 1 teaspoon each. Then the next one is baking powder, I'm going to be mixing all the dry ingredients with the flour to make sure that it is thoroughly mixed. After I must have done that, I'm going to be adding the butter. I'm using about 100 grams of butter. I'm going to be adding the butter immediately. I'm going to be adding in eggs. I'm making use of 2 eggs. At this stage, I'm going to be introducing milk. I'm going to be adding the milk bit by bit, but when you make use of 1 egg, you will need more milk. Put the boiled eggs into cold water to stop the cooking process. I'm going to be dividing the dough into portions. Place the dough on your palm and flatten it. It makes it a lot easier. I must have gotten the desired round dough I want. I'm going to be placing the egg at the center of the dough in order to wrap it up. Ensure the dough is sealed properly to avoid busting open when you are frying it. You can see that here is almost open. So you're going to mold it in a way that it has to close. I'm going to be doing the frying bit by bit. Kindly make sure that you don't stock up your pot or your frying pan with egg rolls. It will make it not to get the desired round shape. I've already heated up the oil. I'm making use of pot here because I needed the oil to cover the egg roll very well in order for me to get the desired round shape I'm looking for. We are going to be giving it a low heat here, and when the egg roll has turned golden brown, kindly remove it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe.